Each abdominoplasty fleur-de-lis procedure is meticulously planned to address the unique needs of the patient. Today we present a comprehensive video guide to the abdominoplasty procedure known as fleur-de-lis, which is a transformative surgical technique designed to achieve remarkable results in abdominal contouring. This is also known as a tummy tuck with a vertical incision. It's an advanced surgical procedure that addresses excess skin and fat in both the horizontal and the vertical dimensions. It's a technique that's particularly effective for those patients who've undergone significant weight loss or those with substantial excess skin after pregnancy. The journey, as always, begins with a very thorough consultation between the patient and the plastic surgeon. During this initial meeting, the surgeon assesses the patient's medical history, discusses expectations, and formulates a personalized treatment plan. Each abdominoplasty fleur-de-lis procedure is meticulously planned to address the unique needs of the patient. Now let's explore the key steps of the procedure itself. First of all, anesthesia administration. The patient is placed under general anesthesia to ensure comfort and safety throughout the entire procedure. Incision placement. I strategically place incisions horizontally along the lower abdomen and vertically from the lower sternum down to the pubic bone, forming the distinctive fleur-de-lis pattern. Tissue removal and reshaping. Excess skin and fat are carefully excised, allowing for the reshaping and tightening of the abdominal area. This dual plane approach ensures a comprehensive transformation of the body. Muscle repair. In cases where abdominal muscles have separated, otherwise known as diastasis recti, they are repaired to restore core strength and contour. Following the procedure, my dedicated medical team and staff provide thorough post-operative care and guidance. Patients are given detailed instructions on wound care, activity restrictions, and the use of compression garments to support optimal healing. My commitment to excellence extends beyond the operating room. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the transformative world of abdominoplasty fleur-de-lis. Schedule your consultation today and embark on the path to a rejuvenated, confident you. Thank you.